What's up, Knottywood? We're gonna take this bird and we're gonna get to grilling and see what happens. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna apply our mayonnaise onto our turkey breast here, and we're gonna lather that up to use it as a binder for our Knotty rub, as always. First, we're gonna, before we apply the binder, we're gonna try and get this skin a little bit more off so we can put the mayonnaise underneath and on top, so that way that the binder can go in deeper into the meat and we can get that flavor kind of dissolving within the actual meat itself and not just on top. All right, time to put our real mayonnaise on here. Let's do this. Get up underneath that meat right there, underneath that skin flap, and we can cut that, put that over, and it really mixes up the mayonnaise and gets it nice in between the skin and the rest of the actual meat. Now that we got the mayonnaise on there, we're gonna douse this thing in a nice fine layer of Knotty rub, and then we're gonna go put it on that grill and eat this bird up. Get that other side and Knotty rub. All right, we got our turkey. Let's put this thing on there. We're at 250. We're using our Knottywood almond blend. Let's get this thing on the grill and see how it turns out. All right, guys, so we're about halfway done with our cook right now. The turkey is about midway through. So right now we're gonna actually take our garlic and herb butter and we're gonna baste the turkey with it since we're halfway through our cook. All right, now we just have to wait a little bit. We'll put the rest of the butter on, and then after that, 30 more minutes and we should be done. All right, we got our turkey. It's up to temp, ready to be eaten. So we're gonna pull this thing off and dig in and see how it looks. All right, so we got our turkey. Let's cut into this thing and kind of see how it tastes. Let's do it. I'm gonna go for a side piece right now. Ooh, it actually looks pretty good. Got that nice smoke ring on the on our meat, so let's see. It's got good flavor. That baster really takes brings the flavor out, and it really it lets the Knotty, helps the Knotty rub seep into the turkey. Along with that mayonnaise, that really helps too. All right, guys, well, if you like this video, subscribe to Knottywood. We're on YouTube. We're posting content pretty regularly. If you want to see more, there's videos that'll show up in the end screen here that'll tell you where to follow us and where to subscribe, and then watch our other content. If you want to see more turkey videos, follow us at Knottywood BBQ. Happy grilling.